is the power of computing. A good example is NVIDIA's GPUs. You have so much horsepower, we wouldn't think we could get that level just 5 or 10 years ago. Abundance of data. Granted, the IoT, the industrial IoT, revolutionized a lot of the processes to digitalize the industry. And now we have this abundance of data. Just a data point, in the past 2 years, we produced 90% of all digital data. And we're supposed to double that in the next year. And the third piece is algorithms. Even though AI is an old term, 1956, actually it's 1950, before they called AI in 1956, it's not a technique that was able to be put in practice simply because of the lack of data or lack of computing. So it comes down to what we are today.